Today let's learn about sets. Today what we are going to learn? Today let's learn about sets. So first of all, tell me what is mean by a set? What is mean by a set? Huh? Set is a collection of items that can be clearly identified. Keep that in your mind. What is mean by a set? Set is a collection of items. Collection of items that can be clearly identified. Those items can be clearly identified. So if we can identify those items clearly, we can call it as a set. Now I am telling one, you have to tell me whether that's a set or not. Beautiful flowers, beautiful flowers. Is that a set or not? Is that a set or not? You have to, if you can clearly identify, these are the beautiful flowers. These are not beautiful. This is a set. But we cannot clearly identify which flowers are beautiful and which flowers are not beautiful. I can say rose is a beautiful flower. But someone can say, no, rose is not beautiful. Rose is not a beautiful flower. Someone can say that. Then it's mean these items we cannot clearly identify. Then it's not a set. Now I am telling districts of Sri Lanka. Districts of Sri Lanka. Is it a set? Yes, of course. Why? Because we know what are the districts of Sri Lanka. We can clearly say these are the districts of Sri Lanka. Now again I will tell one. Odd numbers between 1 and 10. Odd numbers between 1 and 10. Can we say what are the items? Yes, of course we can say these are the odd numbers between 1 and 10. Isn't it? Yes, of course. Then what are the elements? What is mean by elements? Elements mean those items. Those items we can say as elements of the set. These items we can say as the elements of the set. Now I told one previously. What is that? Odd numbers between 1 and 10. Then you can say these are the odd numbers. These are the odd numbers. Right? That items are the elements of that set. Elements of that set. Right, okay, let's take an example also. I'll tell another one. Even numbers between 1 and 10. 1 and 10. So what are the even numbers between 1 and 10? 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the even numbers between 1 and 10. Then these are the elements. We are calling these items as elements. Now tell me how to name a set. How to name a set? So to name a set, you can use capital English letters. Right? Capital English letters you can use to name sets. Name set. Right? Now how many ways are here to express sets? How many ways are here to express a set? There are 3 ways. There are 3 ways here to express sets. So what are those ways? What are those ways? We can write elements within curly bracket. This is the first way. What is that? We can write elements within curly bracket. And what is the next? We can write a common property of elements within curly bracket, and the third is we can use a Venn diagram. So how many ways are there to express a set? There are 3 ways. So what are those? We can write elements within curly brackets, and we can write a common property of elements within curly bracket. Another way is we can use the Venn diagram. Venn diagram. So how to draw a Venn diagram? You can draw a circle, isn't it? You know that. Right, so let's take an example. Okay. These numbers, these items we can show as a set. So there are three ways. Then we can use those three ways to express these items as a set. So what is the first way? What is the first way? We can write elements within curly brackets. We can write elements within curly brackets. So how to name a set? We have to use a capital English letter. So I take A. Right. Now I am writing these elements within curly brackets. This is the first way. Right. Now what is the second way we can use to express the set? Writing a common property of elements within curly brackets. So what is the common property of that? What are those numbers? Those are even numbers. That's the common property. If not, we can say these are the multiples of 2. These are the multiples of 2. Then let's write the common property within curly brackets. So what is the common property? I am writing even numbers between 1 and 10. Right. I wrote the common property of these elements. And what is the last way? The last way is by using a Venn diagram. Right. So okay. So here I am drawing a Venn diagram here. Right. Then we can put our elements into this Venn diagram. Right. 2, 4, 6 and 8. And name this by using the English capital letter which you use to name this set. So what you use? Here A. Right. I name this Venn diagram as A. Right. So did you get it? Right. Yes.